Hey guys, it's Miss Ross. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a really quick review of order of operations. Okay, so go ahead and write that down. Ignore my dog, he's annoying. Okay, so we're going to be working on order of operations. Now, y'all know from what we've been doing so far that first thing always in order of operations is P for parentheses. Okay, that's the first thing you have to do. After that, you're going to do exponents. And I'm going to write the E for exponents very, very small because we don't do this in fifth grade mathematics. Okay. It will come into play next year, but for right now, just know that it's there, but you don't really have to focus on it. Then after that, there are two things that come next. It's multiplication and division. Okay. And it's whichever one comes first. So I'm going to put multiply or divide, M or D, because it's whichever one comes first if you're moving from the problem from the left to the right. And then the final step is addition or subtraction. It's whichever one comes first when you're going from the problem from left to right. Okay, so I'm going to write down some problems and we're going to do order of operations using these problems. I'm going to do, let's just try 4 of them. Let's start with 42 plus 32 divided by 4. Okay, so there are 2 different operations here. We've got an addition and we've got division, and we have to decide which one comes first. Okay, so in this problem, there's no parentheses, there's no exponents. So we do multiplication or division, whichever one comes first. So in this problem, we're going to do 32 divided by 4 before the addition, because the addition is down here. So 32 divided by 4, I like to do like this. 32 divided by 4 is 8. Then what I like to do is cross that out because I know I'm done with that part of the problem, then drop down the rest. So then you've got 42 plus 8, and then you can do that part. 42 plus 8 is 50. If you have done it correct, the problem takes the shape of a piece of pizza being dipped into some garlic sauce. And the reason why it takes the shape of a piece of pizza is because you're taking out one step in each row. Okay, let's do one that's a little bit more complicated. All right, so this is going to be number 2. I'm going to put a circle around it. You write this down as well. All right, so I've got 15 plus 2 minus 14 divided by 7. All right, so we're going to take it one step at a time. So we've got addition, subtraction, and division. So looking at our order of operations, there are no parentheses, there are no exponents. So the first thing we do is multiplication or division, whichever one comes first. So this problem has division here, okay? So we're going to do the division step first because there's only other steps are addition and subtraction, so we don't do those first. Those come next. So do 14 minus 7 is 2. And then, like I said, I like to cross that part off. Then add in the rest of the problem. The rest of the problem is 15 plus 2 minus 2. Then what comes next? Do the 15 plus the 2, because after multiplication and division is addition and subtraction. And you do whichever one comes first, going from the left to the right. So from left to right, we're going to do addition. So 15 plus 2, cross it out, is 17. Then fill in the rest of the problem. 17 minus 2 is 15. And once again, if I did it right, it looks like it takes the shape of a piece of pizza going into a piece of garlic sauce. All right, so now let's try another one. Let's do, I'm going to come down here, I'm going to write number 3. Let's do 12 plus 34 times 2 divided by 2. All right. So this one has addition, multiplication, and division. So we have to decide what to do first. We're going to start with parentheses. There are none. There are no exponents. So then we're going to do multiplication or division, whichever one comes first, going from the left of the problem to the right of the problem. So I'm going to start here. I've got addition, I've got multiplication, ding, 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 ding. That's us right there. We're going to do this before we do the division. Okay, so 34 times 2, 34 times 2 is 68. And I like to cross out that part so I know I'm done. But then I've got to add in the stuff on the left and the right of the problem. So I've got 12 plus 68 divided by 2. All right, so now I've got 12. So now I've got addition and division. So now I'm going to do 68 divided by 2. 68 divided by 2 is 34. And then I can add in the 12. 12 plus 34 is 46. And it takes the shape of pizza to garlic sauce. And we're going to just practice one more. We're going to do one with parentheses. All right, here we go. Let's do a long one with parentheses. So we've got, I'm going to come down here and write it. We've got number 4, and let's write a big one. So we've got 25 plus 5. Let's do times 3 minus 13. All right, so using our order of operations, first we have to do the parentheses. So 25 plus 5 is 30. You can go ahead and cross that out and write in the rest of the problem. 30 times 3 minus 13. Okay, now I've got multiplication and subtraction left. So we know that the multiplication is going to come before the subtraction. So 30 times 3 goes here. It's 90. You can cross that out and fill in the rest of the problem. 90 minus 13, and 90 minus 13 is 77. And then you'll see again, it takes the shape of a piece of pizza, turn it into garlic sauce. Okay, love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. Bye.